Hi everyone, Joe here at Certum Solutions, and today we're going to talk about launching a website with Shopify. I'm the Shopify consultant here, and I also work on the project services team, and we can help you either move your current website to Shopify or start a brand new one, and then get it connected to your accounting system, whether it be QuickBooks or Sage. Whether you're a small boutique offering just a few items or a large multi-store retailer, Shopify has the tools you need to be successful on your website as well as the many connected sales channels available. I've outlined 10 basic steps to get started with your website, and Certum Solutions can guide you through the process. Step 1 is to choose and register a domain name. Now, if you already have a domain name, that's great. You just want to be sure you have the credentials so that you can log into the registrar when it's time to connect your new website to the domain name. If you don't have one, no problem. Just head on over to GoDaddy, Dotster, or any of the major domain registrar companies, select a name, and get it registered. At that point, you will not need to do anything else. Just make sure you keep those credentials handy for when we're ready to connect your new website to the domain name. Step 2 is to sign up for Shopify. Just head over to shopify.com, create an account, choose a plan, and check out. You can start with the basic plan. It's about $29 a month to actually give you the first month for $1. Don't be too concerned about which plan to choose. We can always change that later. The next step is to start adding products. If you currently have a website, you can export your product listing out of that website as a starting point. Or if you don't have a website, maybe you can export your products out of your POS system, your accounting system, or your inventory system and get those imported into Shopify. Now, you can always add the details later, but at this point we need to get a product set in there so we can start building the site. Now that you have a handful of products on your site, the next step is to set up categorization and navigation. This is an important step. Assigning products to categories, product types, and tags is going to determine how the products are organized on your site, and this will help your customers find what they're looking for and provide for a positive shopping experience. Now it's time to work on the look and the feel of your website. And the first step is select a store theme. Now the store theme is going to serve as the framework for your site. From there you're going to add customizations and content to help your site stand out from the competition. Customizing your website starts with adding your company logos and your company color schemes. You also plan out and design your navigation menus, add photos and videos, and you can even add blog pages to attract and engage your shoppers. Next, you'll configure your payments so you can get paid. Now, if you already have a merchant services account, chances are you'll be able to connect that to your Shopify website. Or you can choose Shopify Payments. I will tell you that Shopify Payments do come with some features that will help grow your sales and reduce fraud. We can go over that later. Okay, now we'll configure your shipping and return policies. What is the cost for shipping? Is there a free shipping threshold? Is there a charge for a customer to return an item? Will you offer free returns? These policies are important as these will be key factors in the customer's buying decision. Okay, now it's time to connect that domain name you configured in the first step to your Shopify site. Now Shopify has built-in tools where all you will need is the credentials you use to set up the domain name at GoDaddy, Dotster, or whatever registrar you use, and you'll enter those credentials and Shopify will configure the domain name for you. The last and final step is to launch your store and start selling. Now, while your store was in development mode as you were configuring products, navigation, and customizing the look and the feel of the site, it was password protected. That happens by default on a new Shopify site. So you'll need to go into the site preferences under the online store and disable that password so your shoppers can start visiting that site. Then you can start your marketing, send out emails, make announcements on social media, and watch the orders come in. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. Of course, we could spend hours going over the details of each step, but this should provide a good overview of the process. If you need help or would like to learn more about launching a Shopify website, I'd be happy to schedule a free 30-minute call to see if Certum Solutions would be a good partner for your e-commerce journey.